Guys, have you ever woken up and you just feel as if everything is just crashing down? Everything is just going wrong. Thoughts in your mind are constantly racing. It feels like everyone has gone against you. Your friends, your family, those who are the most closest to you, they've all turned their backs against you. Has this feeling ever come that when you just get out of bed, you don't feel like doing anything, you feel lost, you've lost all hope? If that is the case, then remember one thing: Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has never left you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is always there for you. You are just going through a rough patch. You are just going through a time where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is testing you. And from this test, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants you just to turn back to Him, get closer to Him, remember Him. So never lose hope in the mercy and in the rahmah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is always there and always will be there for you. It's our job to leave everything, all those negative thoughts, put them behind you. Think forward and think positive. And remember, when you are going through these negative phases, these dark phases, where you think everybody has left you, this is the time to remember the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How to get yourself out of this pain, how to get yourself out of this struggle. The most easiest way is to remember the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A countless of blessings He is giving you. Start your day by thinking of these blessings, and inshallah you will see a very big difference. May Allah make it easy for each and every single one of us. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, if you've benefited by our video today, then why not subscribe to our YouTube channel? And you can do this very easy by hitting the subscribe button right here. And if you've not watched our last video, very simple and easy, you can watch it right here, guys. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.